Okay, so we're at the home of Jeff and Donna Dancy. We're going to do a video of their house. This is, what is today?
I think it's the 1st, isn't it?
It's the 31st.
31st or the 1st?
It's the 31st, and what day is it? Thursday. It's Thursday.
And it is 21130 Atascocita Point Drive.
Okay, so I'm going to follow Jeff, and we're going to just get a view of the house.
Down here, Ronnie.
Yeah, it's slippery, sweetie.
So Jeff, can you show us how what the water level was?
You bet.
Do you need a, I don't even know if we have a measuring stick. A tape measure, Jeff.
Ronnie, as far as I can tell, it looks like it was about here.
Okay.
And this is our front living area.
All right, so let's.
Is it Steve's in the kitchen?
Clean.
Well, he's doing bits and bobs. Yeah, I found her. She was next door to Ronnie.
Okay, I'm following.
Doing a video for us.
I'm following you.
It's a mess, but
Okay, the front room, the office.
but it's not it's doable. This is the front office. Looks like the water level about here, Ronnie, in here. Yeah. This is our office come library, so. Wow.
And then on your shelves in here, so we're guessing about probably from here down.
This is where it came up on this cabinet here, Rodney. So
Okay.
that kind of bit of an indicator.
So all the bottom shelf.
Well, the bottom two shelves.
Probably the bottom two
Yeah.
shelves.
Yeah.
All right. Back again, the front room. Doors.
None of the doors will. In fact, if you leave it open, Rodney, because they're
Right.
the doors have warped, they won't open. But this is one of our middle bathrooms.
Okay, now we're.
Okay.
How high up on your bed did we get? But it absorbed anyway.
Oh yeah, the bed
Yeah.
is the bed is
Yeah.
set. But once again, I expect the level was probably, as far as I can tell, probably about here. In fact, I can feel it's wet there. It's probably pretty close.
And then all the doors and drawers are swollen, so you can't open them.
No.
If you wanna.
Actually, some of these will probably open. Yeah, they open.
What about your bottom ones there?
No, jam
Yeah,
solid.
yeah, they're jammed. They're.
This is the master bathroom, Rodney. It obviously went over the bathtub because
Right.
it's full in there.
And the clock.
Yeah, the clock probably came to about here.
Okay, I'm following you.
You bet, Rodney. Appreciate this, man.
That's what neighbors are for.
I know. I mean, is this just like yours? Or worse?
It was actually. I think your house is a little bit higher than ours, and I'll show
it
you
is?
ours in
Okay,
a
yeah.
second. I mean, our house is lower,
Okay.
so the water was higher. Okay, here's the laundry room.
Oh yeah.
The kitchen.
Water line plain as day right here. On what line? What? Yeah.
And these are white floors. Originally, these are white floors, not brown.
So you get about
two and a half feet.
Right. That ain't even, I mean, that didn't even, I thought maybe up to the marble, but it didn't.
Cabinets are probably pretty much shot for the most part.
Yeah.
The laminate's coming off of them.
Yeah, once you that's doable, Steve.
Yeah.
I wonder how much water is still in the toolbox drawers.
I bet the drawers are full of water.
I just saw it, I was like, man,
I'm gonna go back that way.
We'll be back in a bit, Steve.
So inside here, how high did you get up on the cabinets?
Well, actually, we originally thought up to this countertop, but actually these are dry. So I would imagine it came to
It would have come.
about here.
Well, here's your water line.
Yeah, it sure is
Right
there.
Right there.
Right.
Right there.
Which is probably about halfway in this drawer here.
Yeah, plain as day, there's your water line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost to the top of the bottom doors there.
Yeah.
On the cabinets. Definitely not over the tabletop.
No, definitely not.
You see what those are?
Going towards the back. Once again, these are supposed to be white floors.
Sorry, Rodney.
I just went on without you.
Okay. You see a storage room?
Yeah. That's not how you just leave it all the time?
Yeah, we're just a little untidy.
Oh!
Careful. Looks like a little bit of fence work.
Now let me show you something.
Yeah. Here, let me go and get Steve. Steve's helping us a lot, and I don't want him just to feel left him in there.
I'll get Ganson to